Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error writing to file. Encountering an error writing to file message can be frustrating, as it means your computer cannot save or modify data. This issue often stems from a few common problems, such as your user account lacking the necessary permissions, your storage drive running low on space, or another application actively locking the file. Sometimes, security software or even corrupted system files can also be the cause. We will explore these issues and provide clear steps to resolve them. One of the most frequent reasons for a write error is insufficient file permissions. Your operating system needs explicit permission to modify certain files or folders. To fix this, you should check the security settings of the problematic file or its containing folder. Ensure your user account has read and write access. If necessary, you might need to take ownership of the file or run the application with administrative privileges. On a Mac, you can adjust these settings through the Get Info window, ensuring your user has full control. Another common cause for write errors is either a lack of available disk space or a file being locked by another process. Your computer needs enough room to save new data, so check your drive's free space. Aim for at least 15%. If a file is currently open or in use by another program, it will be locked, preventing new writes. Close all unnecessary applications. Additionally, clearing out temporary files can free up space and resolve hidden conflicts. A simple restart can also often unlock files and refresh system resources. If the basic steps do not resolve your write error, it is time for more advanced troubleshooting. Your antivirus or security software might be mistakenly blocking access to files. Try temporarily disabling it. File system corruption can also cause these errors, so running a disk check utility like chkdsk can identify and repair issues. For persistent problems, booting into safe mode can help you determine if a third-party application is interfering. Finally, always ensure your operating system and device drivers are up to date for optimal performance and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.